Absolutely. Let's go deeper into each habit to provide more insight on how to build wealth effectively. 1. Live below your means. The habit of living below your means is foundational to building wealth. No matter how much you earn, it's crucial to control your spending. As you earn more, there will always be temptation to upgrade your lifestyle. Bigger homes, flashier cars, expensive vacations, but resist this urge. Focus on saving a significant portion of your income, and instead of buying things that lose value, direct your money toward investments that appreciate over time. By practicing frugality and discipline, you'll create a solid foundation for long-term wealth accumulation. 2. Invest early and consistently. Investing early is one of the most powerful ways to accumulate wealth. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you can only invest a small amount at first, the key is consistency. Commit to regular investments in various asset classes like stocks, bonds, or real estate. In the beginning, you may not see large returns, but over time, those investments will compound and potentially lead to significant growth. The earlier you start, the more powerful the effects. 3. Educate yourself about finance. Knowledge is power, and in the world of wealth building, financial education is key. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, investment strategies, taxes, debt management, and more. Learn about the different ways to grow wealth, such as through stocks, real estate, and businesses, and study historical trends. The more educated you are, the better your decision-making will be when it comes to handling money. This habit ensures you're prepared to navigate both good and bad financial situations, making informed choices rather than reacting impulsively. 4. Set clear financial goals. Having a clear financial vision is crucial for wealth building. Set specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals for both short-term and long-term financial milestones. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or reaching a specific net worth, clear goals provide direction and motivation. Regularly review these goals to track progress and adjust them as needed to stay on course. By breaking down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks, you can maintain focus and stay motivated through the journey to financial success. 5. Network with successful people. Surrounding yourself with individuals who are successful or financially savvy can open new doors for growth. Successful people often have insights, strategies, and experiences that can help you avoid mistakes and identify opportunities. Networking doesn't mean just collecting business cards. Develop meaningful relationships, ask questions, and learn from those who have already achieved financial success. Often, your network can provide not only valuable advice but also business partnerships, job opportunities, or investment tips that can help fast-track your journey to wealth. 6. Develop multiple streams of income. Relying on one income source can limit your potential for wealth. Multiple streams of income diversify your earnings and can protect you from financial instability. You don't have to quit your job to start additional income sources. Side businesses, investments in real estate, stocks, freelance work, or creating passive income streams, like affiliate marketing, are great ways to supplement your primary income. Each additional income stream you build increases your ability to save and invest, and over time, they compound into substantial wealth. 7. Focus on value creation. Wealth tends to follow value. The more value you provide to others, whether through products, services, or expertise, the more wealth you are likely to create. Focus on solving problems, fulfilling needs, and making people's lives easier or better. Whether you're building a business, offering a specialized skill, or investing in profitable ventures, the habit of focusing on adding value will drive long-term success. Wealth is a byproduct of value-driven actions. 8. Master the habit of delayed gratification. Building wealth often requires foregoing short-term pleasures in favor of long-term benefits. Delayed gratification is a key principle that separates those who accumulate wealth from those who don't. For example, you might resist the urge to spend on unnecessary luxury items and instead put that money into investments or savings. The habit of delaying gratification strengthens self-discipline, which is essential for building substantial wealth. By continuously making sacrifices now for greater rewards in the future, you'll secure a financial future that's both stable and abundant. 9. Track your spending and investments. Tracking your finances allows you to stay accountable to your goals. By monitoring both your spending habits and investment returns, you can make sure you're not overspending and that your money is working for you. Tracking also helps identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and redirect that money towards savings or investments. Use apps or financial tools to monitor cash flow, track net worth, and review your investment portfolio regularly. This habit keeps you focused on your financial targets and ensures you're always progressing. 10. Take calculated risks. Wealth accumulation often involves taking risks, but it's important to take calculated risks. Don't throw money into ventures without doing your research. Understand the potential outcomes and risks involved, and weigh them carefully before committing. Risk-taking is necessary for innovation, entrepreneurship, and growing your investments. Analyzing and embracing risk when appropriate can lead to exponential growth and wealth. However, always ensure that the risk is well-researched and manageable. Bonus: it's critical to develop the habit of resilience, bouncing back from failure, learning from mistakes, and maintaining your commitment to your financial goals. Persistence is key. Wealth building takes time and dedication, and there will be moments of doubt. But by staying focused and never giving up, you'll eventually see the rewards of your hard work and discipline. Remember that many successful people achieve their wealth after overcoming significant challenges. By strengthening these habits, you'll put yourself in a position to grow your wealth steadily and purposefully. Wealth is a result of deliberate, long-term decisions and consistency. Do you already practice any of these habits? Or which ones would you like to focus on first?